Every time it rains, this happens. I'm Erik Von Ancken, the handy newsman. That is Jeff, the crafty cameraman. We're getting results at home today in Ocoee, and we're going to show you how to clear this clog. First, we're going to try and use your hose. If that doesn't work, we're going to use a tool that I bet you have in your garage to take this apart. It's no surprise with all of these trees that the leaves ended up inside the downspout. Jeff, can you pass me the hose, please? Thank you. Yeah, you know what he's about to do, right?
Not gonna get me again.
Step one with the hose on is to try and shove it down through the downspout and at the same time shoving the leaves all the way through and out the bottom. So we got some results and pushed the leaves further down, but it's going to take more than water to get them all the way out. We're going to take the downspout apart with one of these. So this is a driver and this is a socket. In this case, a 1/4-inch socket. You should have one of these if you've got a socket set in your house. This isn't bad at all. It's only one screw holding this all together. There's the clog and some ants, angry ants. Getting out that gunk. That is a clear downspout. I'd say we got results at home. And remember, if you got a project, we'll come out to your house and try and get results at your home. Send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com.